Bird versus monster. Who is going to win? The monster attacks, but the bird is greater than the monster. The monster can't get away! The monster can't get away! And what do we have here? The elusive kitty. The elusive kitty trying to get in. The cat wants to get in. Come on, kitty, kitty. Come on, kitty, kitty, kitty. He's a little shy. Come on, kitty, 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 kitty. But we have the terror. The terror. Yes. He is a monster. He's dangerous, vicious, and cruel to kitties. What do you have to say for yourself, Poco? What do you have to say? And he's coming in. He's going to come in. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun! Should we send the bird? Attack! And there goes the cat. This has been a Wildlife exclusive. Bye-bye.